1. Understand the basics of networking and security. Learn networking concepts. Understand IP addresses, subnets, TCP, IP, DNS, and protocols HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, etc. Study cybersecurity fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with concepts like firewalls, VPNs, encryption, and common security threats, malware, phishing, etc. 2. Learn about operating systems. Familiarize yourself with Linux. Many ethical hacking tools are built for Linux. Start with distributions like Kali Linux or Parrot Security OS. Windows knowledge. Understand Windows operating systems as many networks use them. 3. Get comfortable with programming. Learn basic programming. Python is highly recommended for beginners due to its simplicity and versatility. Other languages like JavaScript, C, C++, or Ruby can also be beneficial. Understand scripting. Learn how to write scripts to automate tasks or analyze data. 4. Explore ethical hacking tools. Kali Linux. This distribution comes pre-installed with many tools for penetration testing, for example, NAP, Metasploit, Wireshark. Familiarize with tools. Learn how to use tools like NAP for network scanning, Metasploit for exploitation and vulnerability testing, Wireshark for network traffic analysis, Burp Suite for web application security testing. 5. Learn about vulnerabilities and exploits. OWASP Top 10. Study the most common web application vulnerabilities, for example, SQL injection, XSS. Common exploits. Understand how these vulnerabilities can be exploited and how to mitigate them. 6. Practice legally and ethically. Set up a lab. Create a home lab using virtual machines, VMware, or VirtualBox to practice without risking real systems. Use Capture the Flag CTF platforms. Websites like Hack the Box, TryHackM, and Overthrower offer challenges to practice your skills in a legal environment. 7. Stay updated on cybersecurity trends. Follow cybersecurity news websites, blogs, and forums to keep up with the latest vulnerabilities and security practices. 8. Consider certifications. As you gain knowledge and experience, consider pursuing certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker CEH, CompTIA Security Plus, Offensive Security Certified Professional OSCP. 9. Join the community. Participate in forums, attend cybersecurity conferences, and join online communities like Reddit or Discord to learn from others and share your knowledge. 10. Practice responsible disclosure. If you discover vulnerabilities in systems with permission, follow responsible disclosure practices by reporting them to the organization.